Okay, well I figured I'd make just a short little how-to video here real quick. I just got some temporary wiring. I got my wires going onto this track and this track so far. I'll show you how I do that. Just temporarily just get power to a good bit of power to all the track. So I got my let's see if I can set some wires here. Pair of wire cutters. I ain't got a small enough cut in there, but I'm just going to strip off the end of it. If I can get this in there. Don't want to cut it. Okay, I got one off. As you can see there somewhat. But this is just temporarily, like I said, until I get all the wires dropped off the track and all the tracks where I want it. Okay, I got both of them off. Okay, well now the next step is just not break it, but just strip the wire cover off so we can get the wire connected back onto it like I did right there. I stripped it off and connected the other wire onto there. So, once again, take your wire cutters. Make sure I got the right wire. Careful not to cut it, that's always a pain. That's one bad thing about it. Okay, well now I pulled the track apart and I'm just going to connect these back on. Make sure you got them from where you fed them, make sure you got them on the same side. So, because if you have them on, like if I put this one on this side, it's short and I wouldn't get no power to the track at all. It has to be on the same side. Just put both of those on the right side or however you have it. Usually it's a lot easier with two different colors, like blue would be on the outside rail and red on the inside, or black, whatever. So I'll connect those two together and I'll show you that. Okay, well I got those connected back on. I mean, it's nothing fancy, but it's just temporary so I can, have enough power on the whole track. Just runs to there, to these set of wires right here, and these connect to these pair, which connect to that track, which all go all the way back to the transformer, if that made any sense to you. Now I'm going to try to get this long train up and around it, hopefully, without any problems. Hopefully. Okay, our Ohio Southern mixed freight will start on the grade. It's got Ohio Southern has added a helper to help the train keep the speed going up the grade. Since it's not on the back of the train, it's on the, well, behind the two lead engines. Coming through the little porter right there. As you can see, I still don't have a bridge yet. Well, practically all that though is going to be a viaduct from the curve to about where the camera's sitting right now. This is 20 cars, I believe. 2% grade. I have had a little bit of uncoupling problems though, but where it crusts. Yesterday I tried doing this, but I didn't have enough power on the track and just kept on stalling because I had 3 engines on. But now since during the beginning of the video, as you saw, I put those wires on that track right there, so it helped. Now before I got a lot of wheel slip right where those engines were because most of the train is on the grade. I mean, even though 99% of the cars have metal wheels. You can sort of hear the engines, the wheel slip on them. Pretty cool view. It kind of looks like a Tehachapi loop, really. Yep, right there. Same spot again. I'll get them reconnected here, though. Because the couplers are so high on the DNSF unit. Okay, here we go again. And the camera back off. The helper though really acts as a helper because with 2 engines I just get a lot of wheel slip. The 3rd engine really reduces it. But it kind of looks like the Tehachapi personally if you look at it. Pretty cool though. Starts picking up speed though coming down the grade. It's one bad thing. They've got speed control. Slow her down a little bit. There's the tail end and the engines are just coming through, so we'll stop it right here. Nope, lost the engine again. Oh well, we'll stop it right there, guys, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Bye.